Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and welcome to my channel. I have learned during the course of my life we just can't ever expect everything to go the way we planned. Life throws us curved balls and sometimes really unexpected things happens and we don't get that balance to manage everything properly. It can spiral us also into lot of anxiety and uncertainty. The biggest example is the feeling what we are having at the current situation. So today, I want to share some really small things which I do on a regular basis to support mental well-being. This will help to reduce stress, make us calm and put things into perspective. So without further delay, let's get started. Get into the nature and get some fresh air if you can. When we get closer to the nature, be it untouched wilderness or a backyard tree, we do our overstressed brain a favor. See those apples? Wow, so many! Spending time with nature positively affects our lives, improving our mood, upping our confidence, reducing stress, and allowing us to concentrate on looking after ourselves. According to research, natural environment positively affects our mental health. Nature, with its pleasant, calming, and soothing qualities, it often chooses to help us restore and maintain our well-being and good mental health. If you cannot able to go out, also opening your window or spending some time in your balcony is so powerful. When I get up in the morning, I just love to hear the bird chirping or the wind flowing sound. All that makes me so calm. It is so much easy to focus on past or future. Mind runs all the time round the clock and we just get worried with what gonna happen. So sometimes all we need to do is to just focus on surroundings. What is around us? The plants, kitchen, hot cup of tea, whatever is in front of you at that particular moment. Enjoy the little things and realize your present moment. What happens when we do that? We really get aware of the present scenarios. When we feel the present moment, for some moment we just keep behind all that worry and fear. And mind gets relaxed and develops focus to the things. Think of a time you told someone how grateful you were for their help and support, or even just for being in your life. How did that moment make you and that person feel? I cannot tell you how expressing gratitude has changed my life in these years. This is the simple thing you can do right at your place, wherever you are, in your bed or couch. I simply write down 3 things every day in my gratitude journal. And that is what I am grateful for today and why. Why is more important to understand it more deeply. Whom I should give my thanks today and why. What I can do to make my day awesome. Writing these 3 points will make us feel so calm and also shift our perspective to a different extent. Even just saying them directly or talking to your loved ones about your gratitude or favorite person also works wonder to your emotional well-being. Sometimes we realize we are breathing shallow or in a state of anxiety or worry. We just don't have control on breathing. So what I do is I try to slow down my breath. It is one of the quickest way to have effect on your nervous system. It controls your heart rate and even calms down your mental state. Also, I find something helpful is just relaxing my muscle tension which I have in my body. Stretching a bit or making shoulder down, keeping back straight makes me feel so relaxed. So, what I want to say here is take a moment and do your body scan. Check how you are feeling. Just notice them and try to relax them then, and you will feel the effect immediately. We have always things to do, like always. It's so easy to forget the fact that it's okay to not to do anything. I sometimes prefer to do nothing. Nothing means nothing. No TV, no sound, just lying down on my bed or couch and enjoying my own time. Though it's for a couple of moments, it feels so relaxing and so calming. I love to have something hot whenever I feel little low or down. Somehow this relaxes my tension and soothes my body too. Also the herbs helps our body and digestive system and boost our immunity. Tea like pepper or ginger or chamomile or turmeric and ginger tea or even mint and lemon tea. I just love to have them in my own time to feel more relaxed and calmer at the same time. Since past few years, positive affirmation has changed my life in so much beautiful way. I'm a big lover of positive affirmation, but I also love inspirational phrases, different quotes, or even inspiring books. These things just lift me up in any of my dull situation. So, whether this for you a scripture or maybe just an inspirational book, try to turning it up. They really do help you to lift you up. I do write sometimes my favorite quote in my notebook, and that makes me feel so positive and inspiring. Next thing I want to tell you about, start your day with nourishing meal. Nourishing meal makes our body healthy and makes us feel energized throughout the day. Balance your meal with the things which works great for your mind and body both. Make your choices with the food. Things like blueberry, banana, avocado are really good for mental as well as physical well-being. Perhaps if you are new to eat healthier or more regularly, even if you focus to make one other meal nourishing also can make a big difference. Some of my favorites are avocado toast or overnight oats or some boiled eggs or masala oats. You can check out my breakfast video which I have put on in my channel last week. I can also give you the link in the description box below. Just make sure your breakfast is nourishing and supporting your body at the beginning of your day. Journal your thoughts. Simply writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly is what known as journaling. And if you struggle with stress, depression or anxiety, keeping a journal is a great idea. It helps you to gain control of your emotion and improve your mental health. If you have not kept your journal yet and want to start a journal, you just need to be willing to write. You don't need to write well, you just need to want to do it. You don't even need to decide what to write. You just need to let your words flow. The question like, what has happened the whole day? How did that make you feel? Are you excited about anything? Why? Reflect on the thoughts and feelings you have been having, and you will surely see the changes towards your mental well-being. Even creativity helps you a lot towards it. If you can draw the things, paint, sketch, whatever you like, can have a great impact on your mental wellness on a day-to-day basis. That's all about today's video, guys. If you find it useful, give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and consider subscribing my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.